ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యారంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి, జేఈఈ అయినా, నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.
Today our topic is oxo acids of sulfur. Oxo acids of sulfur. Today our topic is oxo acids of sulfur. Oxo acids of sulfur. First acid is sulfurous acid. Its formula is H2SO3, sulfurous acid. Second one is sulfuric acid, H2SO4, sulfuric acid. And third one is thiosulfurous acid. Thiosulfurous acid, H2S2O2, thiosulfurous acid. And fourth one is thiosulfuric acid. Thiosulfuric acid, that is H2S2O3, thiosulfuric acid. Fifth one is dithionous acid. Dithionous acid. Its formula is H2S2O4, dithionous acid. And sixth one is dithionic acid. Dithionic acid, H2S2O6, dithionic acid. The seventh one is pyrosulfurous acid. Pyrosulfurous acid, H2S2O5, pyrosulfurous acid. Eighth one is pyrosulfuric acid. Pyrosulfuric acid, that is H2S2O7, pyrosulfuric acid. And the ninth one is peroxymonosulfuric acid. Peroxymonosulfuric acid. Peroxymonosulfuric acid is H2SO5, peroxymonosulfuric acid. And the tenth one is peroxydisulfuric acid. Peroxydisulfuric acid, its formula is H2S2OH. And another one is polythionic acid. Polythionic acid, its formula is H2SNRX O6. Okay, these are the oxo acids of sulfur. First one is sulfurous acid, here sulfuric acid, thiosulfurous acid, thiosulfuric acid, dithionous acid, dithionic acid, pyrosulfurous acid, pyrosulfuric acid. This pyrosulfuric acid is also called as oleum, or it is also called as fuming sulfuric acid. Fuming sulfuric acid, fuming H2SO4, or it is also called as disulfuric acid. Pyrosulfuric acid, or oleum, or fuming sulfuric acid, or disulfuric acid. Peroxymonosulfuric acid, H2SO5, it is also called as Carros acid. H2SO5 is also known as Carros acid. And peroxy disulfuric acid H2S2O8, this is called as Marshall's acid. Another name of the compound is Marshall's acid. And last one is polythionic acid H2SnO6. Right, now in these all oxy acids of sulfur, us series, us acids, first category us acids, and second category ic acids, and third category thionous acids, sulfur linkages, and another one is pyro acids, and next category peroxy acids, oxygen linkage. Okay, total 11 oxo acids are possible in the case of sulfur. Right, now one by one, first one is the sulfurous acid H2SO3. So sulfurous acid H2SO3, sulfurous acid. Right. First one is sulfurous acid. Right. Sulfurous acid H2SO3, formula H2SO3, sulfurous acid. It is a dibasic acid. Dibasic acid means basicity 2. Dibasic acid means basicity 2. Its structure is sulfur, here a double bond O and one lone pair of electrons, a double bond O, OH group and OH group. Sulfurous acid H2SO3, dibasic acid, basicity 2. Its structure is H2SO3. It has one lone pair of electrons. Here basicity here 2. Basicity 2. Now oxidation number is equals to oxygen -2, -4, here -6. -6 plus 2 -4, it becomes +4 oxidation state. The oxidation state of sulfur is +4, and the total number of sigma bonds is equals to total number of sigma bonds, OH bond 1, 2, 3, 4, here 5. So total number of sigma bonds pi, and sigma bonds 5. Where pi bonds, number of pi bonds is equals to only one pi bond. This one pi bond is belongs to p pi d pi bond. Okay, d pi p pi bond. So most important one is in all the oxo acids of phosphorus, pi bonds are belongs to d pi p pi bonds. Pi bonds belongs to d pi p pi bonds. Now due to the presence of here two OH groups, two salts are possible. Here first salt is by the replacement of one hydrogen, it gives NaHSO3, sodium bisulfite, and by the replacement of second hydrogen we are getting Na2SO3. Okay, two types of salts are possible: sodium bisulfite, sodium bisulfate. Sodium bisulfite, sodium sulfite. Two salts are possible in the case of sulfurous acid. Okay, once again, sulfurous acid formula H2SO3. It is a dibasic acid. Sulfur oxidation number +4, and the sigma bonds 5, pi bonds 1. That pi bond is belongs to d pi p pi bond. And two salts are possible. One is sodium bisulfite and another one is sodium sulfite. Now around this sulfur, 1, 2, 3 sigma bonds plus here one lone pair of electron is present. Therefore, it is undergoes sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization. Sulfurous acid undergoes sp3 hybridization. Here one lone pair is present, therefore its shape is pyramidal shape. Pyramidal shape. Okay, this is about sulfurous acid, H2SO3. Right. Then go for second one is sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Second acid is sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Second type of acid is sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid molecular formula H2SO4. Its structure sulfur double bond O and OH group, here OH group. This is the structure of H2SO4. Now in this, around sulfur 4 sigma bonds are present. So number of sigma bonds is equal to 4. Number of sigma bonds 4 means this is undergoes sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization means its arrangement is tetrahedral arrangement, tetrahedral structure. Around sulfur only 4 sigma bonds. Total sigma bonds in this, total sigma bonds is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 sigma bonds. Here number of pi bonds, total number of pi bonds is equals to here 2 pi bonds. These 2 pi bonds are also belongs to d pi p pi bonds. 2 pi bonds are belongs to d pi p pi bonds. And oxidation number, the sulfur oxidation number is -2, -2, -2, -2. Total -8. +1, +1. +2, -8, -6. -6 becomes +6. So oxidation number of sulfur in sulfuric acid is +6. It is also produces 2 salts because of it is also a dibasic acid. 2 OH groups are present. Number of replaceable hydrogens are 2. Therefore, sulfuric acid is a dibasic acid. So its basicity is equals to dibasic acid. And 2 types of salts are possible. Here types of salts. In this case, here 2 types of salts. One replaceable hydrogen. This hydrogen is replaced by sodium. We are getting NaHSO4. This is the primary salt. Sodium bisulfate. Second hydrogen is also replaced by sodium. We are getting sodium sulfate, Na2SO4. Okay, 2 types of salts, sodium bisulfate and sodium sulfate. H2SO4, its structure, sigma bonds around the sulfur, sp3 hybridization, tetrahedral arrangement, total sigma bonds 6, pi bonds 2, they are belongs to d pi p pi bonds. Oxidation number of sulfur is +6, its basicity 2. Types of salts, 2 types of salts are possible. One is sodium bisulfate and another one is sodium sulfate. Okay, this is about sulfuric acid. And the third one is third type of acid is thiosulfurous acid. Third one is thiosulfurous acid. Thiosulfurous acid. Thiosulfurous acid formula, molecular formula is H2S2O2. H2S2O2, thiosulfurous acid. Its structure is sulfur with 1 lone pair and 1 more sulfur, here double bond. This is OH group, here OH group. Okay, this is the thiosulfurous acid. Thiosulfurous acid. Around this thiosulfurous acid, sigma bonds. 1, 2, 3. 3 sigma bonds. Around sulfur, 3 sigma bonds. 3 sigma bonds plus 1 lone pair. 3 sigma bonds plus 1 lone pair is equal to total 4. 4 means it is also undergoes sp3 hybridization. Total number of sigma bonds. Total sigma bonds in this molecule 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sigma bonds. And number of pi bonds. Number of pi bonds in this molecule only 1. This is also belongs to d pi p pi bond. This 1 pi bond is belongs to d pi p pi bond. Next, basicity of this acid is basicity. Here 2 OH groups are present. Therefore, number of replaceable hydrogens are 2. Therefore, its basicity is also 2. Okay. Next, due to dibasic acid, it is also produces 2 types of salts. Okay, one is NaHS2O2 and second type of salt is Na2S2O2. Okay, 2 types of salts are possible, NaHS2O2, Na2S2O2. Because of its basicity is 2, therefore 2 types of salts are possible. One is primary salt and another one is secondary salt. Now what about the oxidation stage? Oxidation state of sulfur, central sulfur atom and also terminal sulfur atom. In this case, the sulfur -2 oxidation state, a central atom oxygen 2, here 2, here 2, total 6, 6 minus 2, middle sulfur plus 4 oxidation state. Okay, central sulfur atom oxidation number is +4 and terminal sulfur atom oxidation number is -2. What about the average oxidation state of sulfur? Here average oxidation state of sulfur is equal to +4 - 2 by 2 average. 4 minus 2, 2 by 2, that is equal to +1. This is the average oxidation number of sulfur in thiosulfurous acid. Okay, thiosulfurous acid, it undergoes sp3 hybridization, total sigma bonds 5, total pi bonds only 1, that is belongs to d pi p pi bond, basicity 2, therefore 2 types of salts are possible. Oxidation number central sulfur +4, terminal sulfur -2, average oxidation state of sulfur is +1. Okay, this is about thiosulfurous acid. Right, then go for next one is thiosulfuric acid. Thiosulfuric acid. Right, fifth one is thiosulfuric acid. Thiosulfuric acid. Thiosulfuric acid formula is H2S2O3. Thiosulfuric acid. H2S2O3. Thiosulfuric acid. Its structure sulfur, double bond S, a double bond O, OH and OH. This is thiosulfuric acid. H2S2O3. Okay. In this thiosulfuric acid, total sigma bonds around the sulfur 1, 2, 3, 4 sigma bonds. So 4 sigma bonds means it is also undergoes sp3 hybridization. Now basicity of the acid is 2 only, 2 OH groups are present. Therefore, basicity of the acid is equals to 2, dibasic acid. And total sigma bonds, around total sigma bonds in the molecule is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 sigma bonds. And pi bonds 1, 2 pi bonds. These 2 pi bonds are also belongs to p pi d pi bonds. Okay, d pi p pi or p pi bonds. Next, in this one, basicity 2, therefore it is also produces 2 types of salts, primary salt as well as secondary salt. So primary salt is NaHS2O3 and the secondary salt is Na2S2O3. Okay, H2S2O3, 2 hydrogens replaced by 2 sodium atoms. So primary salt is NaHS2O3, secondary salt is Na2S2O3. Now what about the oxidation state? Oxidation state of sulfur. A terminal sulfur oxidation number is -2. Central sulfur, here -2, this is -2, -4, here -2, -6, 6, here -2, 8, plus 8, -8 plus 2, it becomes +6 oxidation state. So therefore, central sulfur oxidation number is +6 and terminal sulfur oxidation number is -2. So therefore, average oxidation number of sulfur is equal to +6 minus 2 by 2, that is equal to 6 minus 2, 4 by 2, 4 by 2 is equals to +2 oxidation state. So central sulfur oxidation number +6, terminal sulfur -2, average oxidation state of sulfur is +2. Okay, this is about thiosulfuric acid, H2S2O3. Once again, sigma bonds around sulfur 4, sp3 hybridization, dibasic acid, total sigma bond 6, pi bonds 2, d pi p pi bond, and 2 types of salts are possible. One is NaHS2O3, Na2S2O3. Central atom +6, terminal sulfur -2, average oxidation number is +2. This is thiosulfuric acid. Then another one is dithionous acid, H2S2O4. Okay, next one is dithionous acid. Dithionous acid formula, molecular formula is H2S2O4. Dithionous acid, H2S2O4. Here sulfur, double bond O. Next, in this OH group, and here sulfur and OH group, this is double bond O. H2S2O4. This is dithionous acid. Now, total sigma bonds in this molecule, total sigma 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sigma bonds. Total 7. Next, total number of pi bonds 1 and 2. 2 pi bonds. Here these 2 pi bonds are also belongs to d pi p pi bonds. Each sulfur has 1 d pi p pi bond. Each sulfur possesses 1 d pi p pi bond. Each sulfur having 1 d pi p pi bond. Total in this molecule 2 pi bonds are there. They are belongs to d pi p pi bonds. Now the oxidation state of first sulfur minus 2, minus 4, here plus 1. So that becomes plus 3 oxidation state. Here also same 4 minus 1 plus 3 oxidation state. So therefore first sulfur oxidation number is plus 3 and second sulfur oxidation number is also plus 3. Average oxidation number of sulfur is equal to plus 3 by 2, that is equal to 6 by 2 means plus 3 oxidation state. Each sulfur plus 3, the average of oxidation number of sulfur is also plus 3. Now what about the basicity? Here also 2 OH groups are present, therefore its basicity of the acid is 2, dibasic acid. Therefore how many replaceable hydrogens? Only 2 replaceable hydrogens are there, therefore 2 types of salts are possible. Here one is NaHS2O4 and the second type of salt is Na2S2O4. Okay, 2 types of salts are possible in the case of dithionous acid. Okay, total sigma 7, pi bonds 2, each sulfur 1 d pi p pi bond. First sulfur oxidation number plus 3, second sulfur oxidation number plus 3, average oxidation state of sulfur is also plus 3, basicity 2, therefore 2 types of salts are possible in the case of dithionous acid. Right, and another one is thionic acid, dithionic acid. Dithionic acid. Dithionic acid H2S2O6. Okay, dithionic acid. Dithionic acid. Molecular formula H2S2O6. Chemical formula H2S2O6. What about the structure of dithionic acid? A sulfur, okay, double bond O, and here OH group, double bond O, and 1 mole sulfur, double bond O, OH, H2, S2, O6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, H2S2O6. This is the structure of dithionic acid. Now around this sulfur 1, 2, 3, 4 sigma bonds. Here also 4 sigma bonds. So each sulfur undergoes sp3 hybridization tetrahedral arrangement. So each sulfur undergoes sp3 hybridization and tetrahedral arrangement. sp3 hybridization tetrahedral arrangement. Total sigma bonds in this molecule, total sigma bonds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 sigma bonds. Total pi bonds 1, 2, 3, 4. Total number of pi bonds is equal to 4. So each sulfur contains only 2 pi bonds. Each sulfur 2 pi bonds. There also belongs to d pi p pi bonds. Okay, in any oxo acid of sulfur, it contains only d pi p pi bonds. Okay, without p pi p pi bonds, only d pi p pi bonds. So each sulfur contains 2 d pi p pi bonds. Right, now the oxidation state. What about the oxidation state? Sulfur -2, here -2, 6 plus 1. So your -6 plus 1 means its oxidation number is plus 5. So first sulfur oxidation number is plus 5. Second sulfur oxidation number is also plus 5. First sulfur plus 5, second sulfur plus 5. What about the average? Here average oxidation number average oxidation number of sulfur is equal to plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 by 2. 10 by 2, that is equal to plus 5. So in dithiophenol oxidation number is plus 5 and average oxidation number is also plus 5. Now what about the basicity? Here also 2 OH groups are present, therefore its basicity is equals to 2. Basicity 2 means dibasic acid, only 2 replaceable hydrogens are there, therefore 2 types of salts are possible. Here one type of salt is hydrogen replaces, so it gives NaHS2O6, and second type of salt is Na2S2O6. Okay, 2 types of salts are possible. Right, this is about dithionic acid. Dithionic acid, each sulfur undergoes sp3 hybridization, tetrahedral arrangement, sigma bonds 9, total pi bonds 4, each sulfur 2 pi bonds, 1 each pi bond, 2 pi bonds there belongs to d pi p pi bonds, and first sulfur oxidation number is plus 5, and second sulfur oxidation number is also plus 5, the average oxidation number is 10 by 2, that is nothing but plus 5. In this molecule also 2 OH groups are present, therefore its basicity is 2. Basicity 2 means it produces 2 types of salts, primary salt and secondary salt, NaHS2O6, Na2S2O6. This is dithionic acid. Right. And then go for one more oxo acid of sulfur is pyrosulfurous acid. Pyrosulfurous acid. Pyrosulfurous acid. H2S2O5. Pyrosulfurous acid, H2S2O5. Pyrosulfurous acid, H2S2O5. Pyrosulfurous acid. Okay, right. Now in this sulfur, double bond OH, next here double bond O, and sulfur OH, remaining is O5. Okay, H2 S2O5, 1 2 3 4 5, H2S2O5. Now around this sulfur 1 2 3 4 sigma bonds, here 1 2 3 sigma bonds and lone pair, so it is also undergoes sp3 hybridization. Right, now in this molecule, first of all 2 OH groups are present. 2 OH groups. OH groups are responsible for basicity, therefore basicity of this acid is equals to 2. Basicity 2 means 2 types of salts are possible. One is NaHS2O5 and the second type of salt is Na2S2O5. Na2S2O5. Yes, and what about the oxidation stage? First sulfur oxidation number -2 -2 -2. -6 plus 1 means plus 5. Okay, first sulfur oxidation number is plus 5. This is plus 5. Now here 2 sulfur atoms, -4. -4 plus 1, -3. -3 becomes plus 3. Second sulfur oxidation number is plus 3. So what about the average oxidation stage? Average oxidation number is equal to plus 5 plus 3 by 2, that is equals to 8 by 2. So therefore its average oxidation number is plus 4. Okay, basicity 2, two types of salts. First sulfur plus 5, second sulfur plus 3, here this is plus 5. Average oxidation number is plus 4. This is pyrosulfurous acid. Okay, pyrosulfurous acid. Right, next one is pyrosulfuric acid, H2S2O7. H2S2O7, pyrosulfuric acid. Pyrosulfuric acid. Pyrosulfuric acid, its formula is H2S2O7. That is pyrosulfuric acid. Okay, pyrosulfuric acid. Right, its structure: sulfur, double bond O, OH, oxygen, and sulfur, double bond O, here OH. This is pyrosulfuric acid, H2S2O7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. H2S2O7. Now, basicity of this acid is, basicity is also 2, dibasic acid. 2 OH groups are present, dibasic acid. Next, this terminal sulfur atom, first sulfur oxidation number -2, -2, -2. Here 6. 6, here -2, it is shared by 2 sulfur atoms. Therefore, here -1 only. 6, here 1, 7. 7 minus 1 plus 6 oxidation state. So, this is plus 6 oxidation state. Here also same, 2, 2, 2, 6. 6 minus 1, 5. 5 here 1 plus 1, 6. So, 2 terminal sulfurs plus 6. Second sulfur oxidation number is also plus 6. What about the average oxidation state? Here average oxidation state of sulfur, average oxidation state of sulfur is equal to plus 6 by 2, 12 by 2 means plus 6 oxidation states. Okay, average oxidation number plus 6. Now here basicity 2 means it is also produces only 2 types of salts. Okay, it produces 2 types of salts. 2 types of salts. Pyrosulfuric acid produces 2 types of salts. That is, primary salt is NaHES2O7, one hydrogen replaces, and the second hydrogen is also replaces Na2S2O7. Okay, Na2S2O7. This is pyrosulfuric acid. Next, another one is peroxymonosulfuric acid. Peroxymonosulfuric acid. Peroxymonosulfuric acid. Peroxymonosulfuric acid. Peroxymonosulfuric acid. Its structure is, formula is H2PSO5. This is also called as Carros acid. It is also called as Carros acid. Peroxymonosulfuric acid or Carros acid. Okay, this is important one for your JEE or NEET. H2SO5, OH, sulfur, double bond O, oxygen, oxygen and hydrogen. This is H2SO5. In this case, here oxygen linkage, O bond linkage. Oxygen linkage is known as peroxide linkage. Okay, oxygen linkage is called as peroxy linkage. Peroxy linkage. This is peroxy linkage. Peroxide oxidation number is -1. This is oxide -2, here -2. Hydrogen is +1. Okay, what about the oxidation state? -2, -4, -6, -7, -8. -8 plus 2, -6. -6 becomes +6. So, here sulfur oxidation number is +6. This is very important one. Okay, +6 oxidation state. Sulfur oxidation number is +6. Here one oxygen linkage is there. That oxygen linkage is called as peroxide linkage or peroxy linkage. Okay, now the question in this one is the oxidation number of sulfur in H2SO5. The oxidation number of sulfur in H2SO5. Okay, options are given like this: 3, 4, +8, +3, +6, +2. Okay, so according to process, hydrogens H2SO5 hydrogens, each hydrogen oxidation number 1, here 2 hydrogens 2, plus here sulfur oxidation number, let us assume X, and each oxygen oxidation number is -2 into here 5 is equal to 0. 2 plus X minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, now +2 minus 10 means -8. So X minus 8 is equal to 0, X equal to +8, but this is wrong answer. Okay, we are expecting +8 oxidation state in H2SO5. Okay, but its oxidation number is +6 only, but not +8. Why? Because this molecule possesses one peroxide linkage, therefore each oxygen is -1 and -1. In these 5 oxygens, 2 oxygens -1 oxidation state. So therefore your sulfur oxidation number is +6 but not +8. And one more important identification, sulfur oxidation number. In this question, the oxidation number of sulfur in H2SO5. Sulfur belongs to 6th group. 6th group means its oxidation number maximum +6, but do not exceeds the group number. Here +8 means its group number exceeds. So any element in entire modern periodic table, its oxidation number always is equal to the group number or less than the group number, but do not exceeds the group number. Okay, that is the very important identification for the oxidation state of any element in entire modern periodic table. So here sulfur is the 6th group, so its oxidation number is +6 but not +8 because it exceeds the group number. Right, and one more oxo acid of sulfur is peroxy disulfuric acid.